Well guys, the E-Copo Camaro's out and it's running insane times. It just ran a 983 at like 130 miles an hour at an NHRA event, so this is crazy news. I've been saying it for the longest time. Electric cars and internal combustion engines are going to have separate classes because electric cars, I mean, they are the quicker accelerating car. But enough talking, here's the video right here.
They took out the LS motor and they put in electric motor. Seriously, it is an amazing piece of technology. It's on a 9-inch wide tire. Yesterday it went 10.02. If that AAA scoreboard says 9.99, you're going to see these guys bust a move on the starting line, I promise you. Now, don't misunderstand. I am certainly not hoping that electric takes over everything and that we never run top fuel cars anymore. But this car, I can talk when it's doing a burnout. You guys can all still hear me. The Ecopo, looking for history. Pat McHugh behind the wheel. The Hancock and Lane team with their fingers crossed. I was going to say rev it up, but you don't rev up an electric motor, do you? Can we make a 9-second run with a full-bodied electric Ecopo? Solid wheels up charge. It's going to be close. AAA scoreboard says 983. They did it. 134 miles an hour.
I think that's crazy. You know, it's a silent quarter mile, and like that announcer was saying, you can do a burnout and you can hear the announcer while he's talking. While that Camaro's ripping down the track, it's weird. It's like that eerie silence of, you know, you see the car going, it's obviously going fast, and you don't hear anything. That's crazy. And on top of that, it lifted up the front wheels. I mean, like I said, electric cars are going to have their own class in drag racing because, I mean, they are, I mean, all that power is just instantaneous. Because in my mind, I've always thought, you know, that, like with the Teslas and everything, the only cars that can beat Teslas are purpose-built drag cars or, you know, other electric cars. But with the cars like the E-Copo Camaro coming out, I mean, I don't know. I feel like the electric cars, they're just going to keep improving, getting better times, eventually move to like all-wheel drive, you know, stronger power sources. It's definitely, I mean, I can't wait to see where the electric cars go, but as far as internal combustion engines, they need to stick around. I'm sure that the future is going to move all fuel to like E85 or something because, I mean, hey, it's corn. I just got excited seeing this because, yes, a Ecopo Camaro, I mean, it's not a street-legal car, but it's still a factory car. And, I mean, I know the Mustangs, they have the Cobra, the Super Cobra Jet, and I think there are rumors saying how they are going to come out with an electric Cobra Jet, so who knows, maybe it'll be like a battle between the two electric drag cars. But let me know what y'all think of the E-Copo Camaro down below, and if y'all think that the E-Copo's drivetrain, if it'll actually make its way into like a street legal car, and if it does, what do y'all think of that? But real quick before this video is done, I want to give a big shout out to my buddy Cody. He actually sent me his spoiler that he's not using because, as many of y'all know, when I hydroplaned, as we were pushing my car out of that just deep, thick mud, my spoiler ended up getting broken. So he sent me this, so Cody, thank you very much. I'm putting his Instagram down in the comments below. He has a 2010 Mustang GT, so yes, I am putting 3 valve parts on my Coyote. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.